Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the chapter that is our healthy food. First of all, you should know the meaning of the chapter. What is the meaning of term food? Food is what? Food is that provide us energy, that keep us healthy. Healthy means we are free from diseases. Now the question is, when do we eat food? We eat food when we are hungry. So eating is one of the most important event in our life. What is the use of eating food? Food is eating to provide nutrition and energy. Why food is important for us? Food contain nutrients which gives us energy. Why do we need energy? Ener- do you need energy? Yes, as you are listening my lecture, you need energy. Energy is useful for all life processes. Energy is useful for growth, repair and maintenance of the damaged cells. As our body is made up of cell, so cell is the basic unit of our life. For the working of the cell, we need energy. Where does we get energy from? By eating the food. So, we should eat healthy food. For healthy food, that term is the balanced diet. The diet balance means there should be a balance in every proportion, means which contain all the vitamin minerals in a definite proportion. The diet which contain all the nutrients in correct volume and proportion. For example, you drink mango shake. What you want? You want the mango, milk, sugar, dry fruit in every proportion, means the proportion should be correct. If any of the proportion will disbalance, you will not be able to drink the milkshake or mango shake. Like suppose if the sugar is in very large amount in your mango shake, can you be able to drink that mango shake? No. Same, our body needs the nutrients in correct volume and proportion. That is known as the balanced diet. Okay, now come to the other topic. What are the components of food? Components means the food is made up of what kind? Means food is made up of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. These all are called as nutrients. Now I am giving you very simple example to understand the meaning of term components. As the book you are using for reading is made up of what kind of material? That is made up of paper. Paper is made from trees. So the component of paper is tree. Same, the food components are carbohydrate, fat, protein and fat, vitamins, minerals. These small terms are known as nutrients. Nutrients are responsible for our healthy body. As we are eating the food, we can also call the junk food like burger, pizza. It is also a food, but it do not contain the nutrients in the correct proportion. It is just for filling our stomach, not providing our body healthy. So we should eat the healthy food daily. Okay, well, students. So the 6 components or 6 nutrients of food are, you have to remember them. And we discuss each component in detail. What is the need of that component, where this component is found, what should we eat so that we can fulfill the demand of our body. So today we are discussing about carbohydrate. What we are discussing? Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is one of the main type of nutrient. This is the source of energy for our body. As the name indicates, it contains carbon and hydrogen. So when we take carbohydrate, when you take means, what are the sources of carbohydrates? Means what kind of material we should eat so that our body find the carbohydrate. We should eat number 1 maize, sugar cane, bread, chapati, that rice, that are the sources of carbohydrate. Now when we eat carbohydrate, or suppose when we eat chapati, rice, what happen to our body? Our body start digest them, means it convert them into the smaller form. Like carbohydrate is converted into glucose. Glucose is used for providing us energy. As we drink the Glucon-D. Glucon-D is a instant source of energy. This energy is used for our cell. Cell means our body is made up of cell. Whatever the living beings are present on earth, their body is made up of cell. Cell is not the remote cell. Cell is that our body. Suppose your ear, your finger, the tip of the finger, tip of the nose, that are made up of cell. Cell is very small in size. 2 cell, 3 cell, they combine to form the larger cell, that is form the tissues. Tissues combine to form the organs. Like we have eyes, nose, ear, these are the organs. So for the working of these organs, what we need? We need food. We need energy. Energy we get from the food. Food contain what that we get the energy? Food contain the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are the important source of energy. So students, what we discussed today, I am concluding it. I am concluding that our healthy food, what is eating, why food is important, why do we need energy, what is balanced diet, what are the components of food, what are the nutrients. Next is name the different components of food. So what are carbohydrates? What is the use of carbohydrates? What are the different sources of carbohydrates? Okay, thank you.